Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to do product research for Shopify Dropshipping. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So let's kick off with the first step. In the diverse landscape of Shopify stores, you will encounter general stores, niche stores, and one-product stores. While a general store offers a variety of products, a niche store concentrates on a specific category. So identify a niche aligned with your interests or current market trends. So factor in the target audience, their needs, and preferences. Now, on the other hand, a one-product store focuses solely on a single item, such as a pair of headphones. Explore successful stores in your chosen niche. Now, scrutinize their best sellers and customer reviews and pinpoint market gaps that your unique product can fill. Now, moving on the second step. While trending products are crucial, presentation of your website is equally important. So a poorly designed site can undermine the appeal of even the trendiest products. So focus on crafting an overall experience around your product. Now, for step 3 involves discovering trending products for free on social media platforms like Instagram, Reels, or TikTok, or even Facebook. Engaging with trending videos can spark product ideas, follow influencers in your niche, monitor popular hashtags, and create an emotional connection with your audience through your product. Now, consider using or producing short videos that capture attention within the first 3 seconds. So TikTok, I believe TikTok is a great platform for that. So ensure your product catalog harmonizes to create an attractive store. Now, also utilize keywords to identify niche with high potential for success and assess the costs, including shipping. Now, consider using CJ Dropshipping as a reliable supplier where adding products to your store is free, and you pay only when placing an order. So, attend industry trade shows, expos, or conferences to discover new products, establish relationship with suppliers. These events offer first-hand insights into upcoming trends. Now, you need to also employ keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner to gauge the research or the search volume for potential products. Now, a higher search volume may indicate a greater market demand. Now, pay attention to shipping times, read customer reviews, and consider seasonal trends. So ensure your chosen product comply with legal regulations and check the trademarks or copyright issues. Now, begin with a small test order to evaluate product quality and shipping times. Now, engage with potential customers in online forums and social media groups and listen to their discussions to identify product preferences and pain points. Now, explore Pinterest trends for insights into visually appealing and shareable products. Now, also consider offering customizable products or personalized services to enhance the customer experience. Now, incorporate subscription box models to create a predictable income stream and encourage repeat business. So implement heat map tools on your website to analyze your user behavior and gain insights into engaging products or sections. Now, also stay informed about industry news and changes in consumer behavior to make informed decisions about your product selection. So ensure your chosen products are mobile friendly as a significant portion of online shopping occurs on mobile devices. Now, test potential demand for products through Facebook ads, leveraging precise targeting to gauge the customer interest. So, also remember, successful dropshipping involves constant adaptation. Keep an eye on market trends, monitor your store performance, and be ready to pivot your product selection based on customer demand and market dynamics. Now, if you're intrigued by Shopify, make sure to create your account and create your first store here, and good luck. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.